When you come to North Georgia, you have to stop at Bittercreek Market. They have a variety of things here. So come on, let's check it out. No matter what you're looking for, I can guarantee that you will find it here at Bittercreek Market and then some. They have a variety of snack options. You have canned goods. A lot of this is locally produced. So when you come, there will be some names that you may not recognize. And that's because they're locally sourced from the area. There are also a variety of cold goods. You have Amish butter. There's also fresh spinach dip, chicken salad, seafood salad, a variety of candies, chocolate-covered nuts. And then you also have old-fashioned sodas. What can be better than that? Then when you keep on progressing through the store, you'll find small little knickknacks, some breads, and the breads are going to accompany the options you get here. So they have fresh ground beef that is made daily, and my favorite is the pulled pork. You cannot come here without getting a container of pulled pork. There are also fresh made jams and jellies that they actually make at Bittercreek Market, and so much more. So if you find yourself in the North Georgia area, stop by Bittercreek Market, located off of Highway 515, Blairsville, Georgia.